Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar, where there is nothing wrong with having a guitar for a friend. And today, my friend and I are going to show you how I play the chords and the very cool Jamie West-Oram strumming pattern to One Thing Leads to Another by the Fixx. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and the key is B flat minor. Now, as far as my setup is concerned, I have my guitar set between the neck and the middle pickup, and I'm using a flanger to get this really spanky kind of sound. For this one, I'm using the Boss BF2 flanger, and you can see here how I've got it set up. And the way I've got it set up is where I have a little bit of resonance and a very slow rate, so it turns slowly like that. So when you're strumming, you don't hear a whole lot of turn in the sound. For the next thing, let's take a look at the chords. We're going to need 3 chords. The first chord is a B flat minor 7. I'm holding down the D, G, B, and high E string at fret 6 and strumming from the D string. I might put my thumb across here to mute the low E, but I'm not playing those notes, okay? So that's our chord. The next chord is a B flat 7 suspended 4. We're going to keep the bar we had at fret 6. We're going to put the little finger on the B string at fret 9 and the ring finger on the G string at fret 8. And that is our B flat 7 suspended 4. We're going to move that little finger down by 1 fret to fret 8, and we'll get a B flat suspended 13. And those are our 3 chords. Now, I've already done 2 videos on this song, but I just didn't feel like I got the strumming pattern quite right. So I studied that pattern for a long time. I mean, I've spent a lot of time studying this pattern, and I think I have it right now, so I'm going to show you how I'm doing that. Here we go. Here's what we're going to play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we're going to do is start with the B minor 7 and do 2 down strums and come up with a chuck, right? But after we get the pattern going, we're going to do emphasis on the up strums, right? So we start out chuck, just like that. Now here's what I've found is the essence of this strumming pattern. It's a emphasized strum and then a chuck, which is, that's a chuck. Okay, now that's a muted strum. So we've got like that. Now we started out with 2 down strums at the beginning of the song, but after that it's mostly up strums. Here we go. So here it is, really slowly. So that first one is up and then down, like that. Well, all right, my friends. So that is the way that I play the strumming pattern to One Thing Leads to Another on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day. 1, 2, 3, 4.